everyone, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my grocery hauls for this week. I usually go to 1, 2, or sometimes even 3 different stores. I do a monthly meal prep, so I basically know what we're having to eat every single day before the month starts. And I like to do my big grocery hauls at the very beginning of the month. That way on a weekly basis, I just do smaller hauls. And to be honest, I love grocery day. Like, I love going grocery shopping. I don't know why, I just do. Anybody else? Anyways, I'm gonna show you the hauls, and I'm also gonna put the prices up for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. So this is my meal plan for the upcoming week. Like I always tell you guys, I keep it super simple, and especially because I don't know if the baby will be here by then, I just figured I should just keep it as simple as possible. So starting off for breakfast for my son and my husband, they're gonna have applesauce oat muffins. I found this recipe on Pinterest. I've made it a couple of times. They taste really good. For lunches, on Monday and Friday, my husband normally takes just sandwich and chips to work because that's super easy. And then during the week, we'll be having tuna sandwiches for lunch. And then for dinner, Monday we will have a creamy garlic penne pasta. This is a Pinterest recipe, and we really like it, so we're gonna be having that with some kind of vegetable and then leftovers on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we'll have another Pinterest recipe. This is a baked chicken breast with Parmesan and mayo. It's really good too. And we'll probably either have a salad or a vegetable next to that. And then for Thursday, we'll be having bean and cheese tostadas with lettuce, tomato, salsa, and all that good stuff on top. And then Friday we'll do breakfast. I always try to do either breakfast or pizza on Friday because it's super simple and it's kind of like a no-brainer kind of meal. So yeah. So for Saturday and Sunday we keep it super simple. We basically just have this kind of stuff, so like grilled cheese, sandwiches, tuna, quesadillas, leftovers, pasta, breakfast, pizza, chicken and potatoes, chilaquiles. I just try to make sure I have everything on hand. This is from the past week, the menu from the past week, but it's still this. Sorry, Michael was having a cough attack. So yeah, so I just try to make sure that we have all of the ingredients for all of this, because all of this stuff we always have on hand. So I just try not to actually plan an actual meal just in case we're not home or we go out to eat, or for whatever reason we just don't make it work. I don't have to feel like bad for baby. I don't feel bad for not using up that food, so I just use whatever we have on hand. This is my haul for this week. I went to 2 different stores. We'll start over here on this side. This is from Food for Less, which is a Kroger brand store. I picked up some milk for Michael. I normally do not buy my milk at Food for Less for him. I buy it at Costco or Aldi just because it's way cheaper. This cost me $5, and the other 2 stores I go to, usually it's about $3, if not cheaper. And I just ran out of milk. I don't know how. I must have miscalculated how much milk we needed. But yeah, I ran out of milk for him, and I needed to get this today because he had no milk for today. So I had to buy this. And then I picked up some bananas. I picked up some, what are these called? Grapefruits. I love grapefruits. I know it's either you love them or hate them. I love them. What are you guys? Do you guys love or hate them? I also picked up 4 cartons of eggs. These were on sale for $1.49 each. I'll put all of the prices and the total of how much I spent this week on the screen for you guys, so you guys get an idea of how I do my grocery shopping. And then moving on over here, this is just a local market that's in my neighborhood, and on Wednesdays they always have like super cheap produce, and that's when I like to go because that's mainly what I buy on a weekly basis. So starting off over here, I got a cantaloupe. This was like 3 pounds for $1. I got some limes. I like to drink lime water every morning, so these will like be enough for like a whole month. I bought some tomatoes, just a couple of apples because we had some. I bought some peaches, a couple of cucumbers, avocados. These were 4 for $1. I got 2 that are not ripe at all, and then 2 that are basically ready to eat. And then every time their carrots are on sale, I always buy a ton. Their carrots are normally on sale for 3 pounds for $1, so I always buy a ton. I have 3 bags here, and each bag has about 10 carrots. So for this I paid maybe like $2 or $2.50, maybe, if that. So yeah, so it's a really good price. I hope you guys enjoyed that and it gave you some ideas for your home. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.